Hi, this is javinkharod, chemical engineer by profession, going to continue today's topic, refinery safety plan. Now, what is that? Refinery safety plan. Best practice include establish element, required plan, determine enforcement, and creating program. Each refinery has unique need. Therefore, every safety plan must conform the specific requirement of the site. Now, refinery turndown operation, non-shutdown. They are among the most perilous phase in the refinery operation cycle. The surge in workforce, tight timeline, and disruption of the normal workflow create environment where even minor lapses can lead serious incident. Turndown operation involve complex, high-risk tasks require comprehensive safety planning. Keep workers safe and operation smooth. It's vital every team member, whether long endure, newly onboarded, receive proper instruction and material handling, standard operating procedure, PPE, and clear understanding, shift schedule, hazard prevent, costly confusion, delay, and accident. Now, workforce variability. Turn around often include influx and temporary contract personnel. This doesn't cover demand, uniform training, how to handle dangerous substance and PPE effectively. Uncertain timeline. Many variable, unanticipated equipment failure, hazardous discovery. The actual turndown duration can vary significantly. Risk safety, budget turnover, maintenance shutdown, typically 10 days over 2 months. PPE forecasting challenge. Without confidence, it's tough, reliably estimate. Flame resistance, cover all chemical resistance suit. Respirator fit option needed, especially when type of hazard ranging from the chemical exposure, toxic fume, flammable liquid, yet to be fully known. Now, protective safety and planning strategy. Set realistic turnaround target. Prioritize comprehensive training and communication. Maintain detailed post-event analysis and secure reliable PPE supply. Now, common hazard during turnaround. Struck by, caught between incident, abrasive sharp surface, noise hazard, hot work and fire risk. Now, protective safety measure, risk assessment, training, consistent gear supply, post turnaround review. Now, setting stage, maintenance planning, safety foundation, refinery maintenance, turnaround, demand, coordination of the manpower, scheduling, safety, especially stop work window, narrower and stack are high, 80% turnaround exit budget due to scope creep, further stressing safety system. Now, planning challenges and PPE implications. Uncertain turnaround and workforce, non-routine task. For ignition, task, welding, chemical barrier suit, splash and toxic exposure, particle, resistance coverall, dusty and particulate, heavy task, high visibility, clothing, reduce vehicle collision, risk, low weight, busy zone, CPC level, choose level C to B, assemble, the respiratory splash risk, rise, choose level A, high consequences, vapor environment, other essentials, glow, eye, face gear, hearing protection and proper footwear, tailored, job specified threat. Now planning tip for effective PPE deployment, hazard mapping, identify job risks such as chemical exposure, sharp edge, noise and heat, select CPC level, respiratory, ensure durability and ergonomics, plan for scare, means maintain sufficient PPE inventory, train and communicate early. All personnel must understand PPE protocol and safety plan and post-event brief capture lesson from the PPE performance, injury and area improvement were refined next turnaround and planning. Now, safety plan for refiner include protecting physical safety employee and the plant, fire protection, occupational safety, process safety, 3 pillar, make a customized plan for a plant. The type of rule, prevent fire, protect worker, reduce hazardous chemical release due to the specific nature, refinery arrangement and chemical on site. Each site will have one customized safety plan. Now, fire protection. Fire protection safety method, prevention and suppression. The American Petroleum Institute in API work National Fire Protection Association to create fire safety standard published by both organizations. Various standard API requirement fire protection cover potential ignition hazard, fire arrestor, spray system, fireproofing facility and preventing ignition. Now occupation safety. Occupation safety ensure all workers, both employee and contractor, work in manner to minimize chances of incident could damage property and person. There are some examples. There are safe practice for welding and hot tapping, appropriate method operating vacuum truck that handle combustible liquid, working safety in confined inert spaces. Now, contractor safety guideline and training and for safety guideline for contractor. Now, process safety. Process safety establish safe, reliable operation machinery at facility. Guidelines should protect facility, its surrounding area, unintentional release, toxic product, lead and fire of explosion. Mechanical integrity rule of the standard of the occupational safety and health administration rule ensure the equipment operate safety and as expected. Having safety standard, all refinery worker have incentive. The rule, however, caution where creating such program, OSA forbid all employee discriminating any way against worker who report injury, illness. Therefore, refinery should have reward and punishment system that does not discourage reporting incident. Instead, OSA suggests the following way incentive worker toward creating the safer plant, giving always salt or some other prices, serving workplace safety commitment, provide reward or small price for worker who make health and safety suggestions, reward the identify near miss and safety hazard facility, offering celebration of party all employee at the end of safety training session and entire company. Now, the program can difficult to implement with OSHA guideline by the nature, the punish worker, sustain injury, reporting problem. This type of disincentive violate OSHA requirement. Therefore, facility may find greater participation safety program through positive reinforcement by incentive, safe practice and reporting unsafe situation and operations. Creating goal-focused safety plan. Refinery charge creating safety plan must establish goal. Every guideline rule plan should be point toward the goal. Each place of the start creating goal by examine refiner safety performance over previous year. Goal should include where the clause gap in the safety prevent incident occurred. Intense minor incident such as slip, fall may require goal include increasing training, adding more, signing, installing non-slip floor, creating where possible. Goals should be basis realistic expectation, include measurement for determining their success. Refinery may want to reduce worker compensation, claim spending, improve safety looking, the expenditure before the increasing safety standard. Training should provide data required, how effective change provide to be. Now, another metric, the company could might number of incident over given period, change implemented, actually reduce number of slip and fall accident, look number, the month, 6 month, even decreasing trend occur, safety arrangement of the worker, accident rate should drop. Safety is not just priority, core value, refinery, oil and gas industries with potential risk inherent, the operation establish adhering, life saving rule permanent. Here, comprehensive guideline, the safety saving rule, their commitment to compliances, permit to work system, risk assessment and management, lockout and takeout procedure, working height safety, process safety management, confined space entry protocol, hot work safety, personal protective equipment adherence, emergency response and preparedness, ability, the response and effectively emergency, cornerstone refinery safety, regular drill, well, define emergency response plan, communication protocol, ensure the workplace is prepared, handle unforeseen incident. Now, in conclusion of the above 10 life-saving rules, refinery, oil gas industries understand industrial commitment, fostering the culture safety by integrating the rules into daily operation. Organization create environment where workers not perform the task efficiently, also return home safely end of each day. Okay guys, this is up to our today's topic, refinery safety. I hope you get sufficient knowledge after watching this video. Next Sunday we have covered some another chemical engineering topics. Till then, goodbye. Do take good care of yourself.